Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ismi Wildani. My student ID is 2040012501. Based on Oxford Dictionaries, give simple definition of phonetics that is the study and classification of speech sound. While according to experts, phonetics is the branch of linguistics that deals with the sound of speech and their production, combination, description, and representation by writing symbols. After reading the definitions given by online search and experts, now I can decide that phonetics might be defined as a branch of linguistics that studies how to produce sounds and then symbolize them in order to give and pronunciation of each word. Based on the book of Linguistic Basic Theory and Rules in English Language Teaching, speech organs, speech sound, and production of speech sound are the basic components of phonetics. Speech organs or articulators. It's a study of particular organ in humans' mouth such as throat, teeth, lips, larynx, pharynx, and so on, in order to produce speech sound with clear articulation. Speech sound, it means this is a audible component which used by our speech organ in some languages, especially English. What we heard and what is written sometimes different when it comes to pronunciation in Afrikaans. APA has been created that can help the linguistic language teacher and so learners transcribing a language clearly and accurately. The production of speech sound indicates the process of making speech sound by using articulator which is intended from following the air provided by the lung. The air then goes to through the glottis in the larynx. That then is modified by the vocal tract or vocal apparatus into different qualities of sound, either consonant and vowels. Consonant is a type of sound that made by partly or completely blocking the airflow during the speech. Its difference with the vowel sounds is the vowel sounds need more continual airflow. In the type of consonant sound, we will be learning three crucial things which will be explained. Place of articulation, the specific location in the mouth in which two speech organs work together in producing a consonant sound. Manner of articulation, how the different organs of speech interact one another in producing consonant sounds, and how the airflow is observed to affect the production of consonant sounds quality. The distinctive features of the English consonant sounds, focusing on the identify the sound distinction by knowing whether the vocal cords vibrate when the consonant sounds are made or voiced, or whether the vocal cords not vibrate when the consonant sounds are uttered or voiceless. The first one is place of articulation. That is defined as specific location in the mouth which two speech organs work together in producing consonant sounds. This term has known classification which can be easily remembered by using the acronyms bila dapat pabrik lola. 1. Bilabial sounds. These consonant sounds are produced by putting two lips together as in sound pai, pai, mai. 2. Labiodental sounds. Consonant sounds are produced by contacting the lower lip and upper teeth as in sounds 5 and fila. 3. Dental sounds. These consonant sounds are made when top teeth. 4 sounds or 2 blade. 2 sounds Thursday and this. 4. Alveolar sounds. These consonant sounds are made when the top tip contacts the alveolar ridge. The gums just behind the teeth as sound T, die, night, lie, psych, in seal. 5. Palatal sounds. These sounds are produced when the plate of the tongue, middle of tongue, touch the hard palate. Sound judge, chew, yawn. 6. Palato-alveolar sounds. These sounds are articulate when the tip, the blade of the tongue, approaches or touches the alveolar ridge and the main body of the tongue approaches the hard palate in the mouth. Sip, casual, and remember. 7. Filar sounds. These consonant sounds are produced when the back of the tongue touches the soft palate or the velum, as sounds cup, cape, sing. 8. Glottal sounds. These consonant sounds is produced when the flow of air is stopped by the glottis with some contraction of the glottis closing and then release. Sounds how and who. 9. Labiovelar sounds. This consonant sound is produced when the back part of tongue contains the soft palate and lips also comes close to each other, like sounds what. Manner of articulation. This is concerning about how the different organs interact one another in producing consonant sounds and how the airflow is obstructed to affect production of consonant sounds quality. This manner consists of 6 types which can be easily remembered by the following acronyms. Stophanasla. 1. Stops or plosives. This manner of articulation. Consonant sounds are produced by closing the speech organ, both oral and nasal cavity, that the airstream is blocked, as in the word pain, tie, key, buy, tea, and go. 2. Fricatives. Produce consonant sounds by blocking the airstream in the mouth, but not making complete closure, that the air moves through the mouth and produce audible friction, like cycle, zoom, fan, fast, method, then, ship, and hot. 3. Affricatives. Blocking the airstream briefly with the tongue in the mouth, but in context to stop, the blocked airstream is suddenly not released, but is slowly released and causes audible friction like check and jump. 4. Nasals. This manner of articulation produces consonant sounds by blocking the airstream through the oral cavity using the velum or soft plate and the back of the tongue, so that the air can only pass through the nasal cavity, like sounds man, neck, and sing. 5. Laterals or liquid. This manner of articulation produces consonant sounds by contacting the tip of the tongue onto the alveolar ridge, so that the air passes through both sides of the tongue, like sound lip. 6. Approximants or glides. This type of manner of articulation deals with the way consonant sounds are used by making the articulators interact the tongue and the alveolar ridge without actually touching, as in word you, word, and rise.